joy of the first steps of a child. It's the joy of your great grandma.
Side of the highway. We just picked a camper up from the RV. Glass everywhere, no window. Where's the window? Oh, it's up here on the roof. That's great. That's a great spot for a window. I can't go nowhere. He's stuck. Let's go! Let's go, baby! Got the old water line. Filling the big girl up with water. Just picked it up from the service center. They put a new roof on it, new refrigerator, and they fixed the gray tank and a couple other things. But what they did not do is latch my window when they were done working on it. So it folded up over the roof there, bent the frame, busted out the top glass. I'm gonna be sleeping in the cold tonight, guys. Good old Heartland Cyclone. Never buy that brand. Save yourself the headache, save yourself the money, the time. We missed a lot of events this year because of this company right here. And they're not standing behind their product. We've wasted about $2,000 in fuel taking it for repairs now, twice. And we still got a lot more stuff to repair.
Look at the big wide world we're living in. Yeah, I'll keep running until I discover it.
So, got a water leak coming from behind the fridge. Got my drill to undo it because I've had to do this before. They did not secure our fridge back to the floor. You guys also gouged up our floor when you pulled the fridge out to fix. You guys didn't mount my fridge back down. You cut a hole in my wall. Come on now. Just got stuck right there. It's all ice underneath there. Let's try her again. Snowmobile rentals right there. Get up here and rent yourself a snowmobile.
You make friends all along the way. To break
Nothing like drinking your coffee and draining your poop tanks in the morning. Oh yeah, I love it. I love it. Nothing there. Nothing there.
just keep running until you discover it. Yeah, you
This is the life cycle of a chicken. First they're an egg, and then they're cut up on our dinner table. This is Gaylord if you guys want to know how much snow we got. They said about 17 inches fell over a period of like 4 or 5 days while we were in Florida. I don't know, some of it melted because there's about, I'd say 12 to 13 on the ground. Yeah, definitely enough to ride some snowmobiles if you guys get up here. They got a trail right off the campground. You can rent these cabins back here.
Joy of the first steps of the child. It's the joy of your great grandmother's smile.
Look at that. It's been here, what, a half hour, honey? This bucket?
He's gotta stay outside though, so it don't make him sweat.
Gotta love it. 4006. 2023 Heartland Cyclone 4006. Brand new unit. That's the bed we got.
You make friends all along the way to break bread on another day. Always there to give you advice, help you find the wrong from the right. Even when you're not in their sight, you'll be alright. Just look at the